Well, a contentious divorce. It's tough for everyone involved, but tonight some parents said that the guardians at Litem hired to offer a neutral voice are actually making it worse.
11 Alive senior investigator Rebecca Lindstrom exposed concerns with the system, and now one mother is turning to lawmakers for help.
How are you?
Kitty Mayo stands along the ropes that line the Georgia Senate.
I wrote some legislation and we're trying to get somebody to carry it.
Unable to get a sit-down appointment,
Don't come down here, if you don't like crowds.
she has been waiting more than an hour,
I'm going to wait here. You tell me to wait here, I'm going to wait here.
waiting to find a senator willing to hear why she feels the state needs to make guardians ad litem more accountable.
And he does know you are waiting out.
Mayo is working on two other family court-related bills through her group, Georgia Protective Parents. She is not a professional lobbyist. She is just a mom fighting for change.
I'm in a mom's group, and in that group, there was a consistent theme. And the same consistent theme was the guardians. And they all told the same story.
It's the story we heard in emails and phone calls from mothers, fathers, and grandparents who, like the women in our first story, felt the guardians assigned to their custody cases overstepped their authority or misrepresented information in court.
In fact, the crux of the reporting omitted witness testimony that I provided and that people in my life provided. And there was no checks and balances in that reporting.
When I brought these things to my attorney, I was told basically it would not go well in my favor if I complained or challenged this person.
Most of the people that reached out to 11 Alive were parents unhappy with the custody arrangements made by the court. But they are right. Guardians can play a big role in the decision. And despite that power, the state has no formal process to review qualifications or investigate complaints.
I'd like to see that there is a registry and more oversight.
We should require a lot more of them in terms of training and ethics and actual education, because it's not just our experiences, our trauma collectively that we now share going through this, but our child.
The law already requires guardians to have training on a number of topics, but since there's no registration process, the quality of that training is inconsistent and rarely verified.
We have got to get back to very strong evidence-based rulings for our children.
There is no knowledge of post-divorce abuse. It is emotional abuse, financial abuse, and legal abuse.
For Mayo, this bill isn't about her case.
I was calling to see if I could get an appointment with Senator Strickland.
But instead, it is for all the custody cases to come.
It's a busy day today.
For those families, Mayo says she'll be back at the Capitol tomorrow, looking for someone to listen. In Atlanta, Rebecca Lindstrom, 11 Alive News investigates.
If you have a tip you'd like for us to investigate, you can call us at the number on your screen. It's 404-873-9111. You can also email us at investigates@11alive.com.